Welcome back to Lisey's World. I'm sorry I haven't been posting lately, and I've been really busy, and yeah. So today, if you have not read the title already, I will be making glitter slime, and I will be using puffy paint. It's a paint not many people use. Comment down below if you have ever used it, because I know not many people have. So, first things first, glue. You always need to have the glue first, unless you're making slime backwards. Not adding too much glue, because you guys know me. I always over pour the glue or add too much activator, something like that. And I want to tell you guys that I have a container that I bought today. So it has 8 slots for 8 slimes. And let's open it up. Wow. So yeah, that's why I'm making sort of a mini slime. Yeah, we'll get that later. Instead of like a really big slime, because we want it to fit in there. So next I'm gonna add my puffy paint. Here are the colors I can choose from, or you can choose from, if you ever make slime with puffy paint. And yeah, just gonna open that. So, if you haven't seen already when I showed it, I have this silver chunky glitter, and I think it would go really well with this light blue. So yeah, I'm gonna add that in. And I want to tell you guys, puffy paint kind of melts your slime a little bit, so don't add too much if you're doing it at the end, because it'll melt your slime. Yeah, just your slime. Going for a really light blue, not like this light, because I want it to fit with the silver glitter. Because then it's like winter, the season it is. Oh, that was kind of a lot, but as I told you guys, something always ends up, like I always add in too much of something. So, but I think that'll be a good amount. I might even add a little more, because like blue and a lot of white, that would make a very light blue. Well, light blue and light white. Light white? So. Oh yeah. This is it. This is the perfect color. Oh. Okay. Now, time for my activator. Here it is. By the way, guys, comment down below what color you would choose if you had a color to choose. Oh yeah, it's a good idea to choose one out of those, because there's a lot of neon colors. Well, not really. You don't have to choose one out of there, but those are some ideas. Yeah.
see, I'm trying to add in a little bit of activator, not too much, because as I said, once again, I always add in too much activator or something. Too much glue, too much paint, too much glitter, in this case. Also, comment down below what your favorite type of slime is. Because mine is probably just either butter slime, cloud slime, or plain slime. I've never made cloud slime on camera before. Oh, also, I want to share with you guys that yesterday I made oobleck for the first time. Also, comment down below if you've ever made oobleck. I made a pretty purple oobleck. So cool. Back to the category of slime. Now I think I should add more activator, because now I hope I don't add too much, but that was pretty good. Okay, so, and by the way, guys, sorry if I'm making these videos too long. Comment down below if you want me to shorten them, because I know if you guys have parents like my parents, you only get to watch YouTube for a certain amount of time, and yeah, and sometimes you don't get to watch the whole video, or if like you get a little bored of it because they're not talking or anything, like you just fast forward. That's what I do a lot. But I'm trying to make these videos more interesting because I always watch really long, interesting videos. That's my type of video. And when I see a short video that is very interesting, I almost want it to be longer because, well, it's interesting. Ooh, it's starting to come together. Oh, I love the color. This is my favorite color, guys. Daddy, too. Me and Daddy love sky blue. And I like periwinkle. I love that color. Purple mixed with blue. But my least favorite color is indigo. Yeah, I don't like it. It's too dark. I like pastel colors. I have 4 favorite colors: pastel, pastel blue, pastel green, pastel yellow, and pastel purple. I cannot choose one. If I had to take one away, it would be green. So, yeah. Oh, this is reminding me of when Lisey made blue slime. Yeah, that was a long time ago. And probably wasn't the best video. That was when I had my old location. I'm gonna add a little more activator. If you're wondering why, I haven't added activator in a long time, once again, as I told you, I never really add the right amount, so I want to knead it with my hands to see if, ooh, there we go. There we go. Starting to come together. Wow! This is a really good slime. Now, the part that you guys have all been waiting for. Wait, as soon as I get this off my hands. The part that you guys have all been waiting for. The glitter. Chunky silver glitter. Winter themed slime. I'm adding it. I'm starting with a little bit. Oh, it's already so pretty. also, guys, soon I would like to do a different type of video that isn't themed slime, but I don't know what you guys like. And at the moment, I'm getting more subscribers because I'm making slime videos. Maybe I could get even more subscribers if I do different different videos. So I want to go know what you guys like. So yeah, soon I want to do something else. Because soon I'm going to run out of activator and glue, but I don't think I'm running out of glue anytime soon. I have almost a whole gallon. So yeah, but I'm going to run out of a lot of things. Because I'm already starting to run out of my paint, so that's why I'm using puffy paint. Because I don't really have anything else. But I also like puffy paint, so yeah. So comment down below what you guys would like to see that isn't anything besides slime. Because feel free to just comment down below, like, anytime if you're getting bored of the videos I do. But make sure, don't say it in a, hater thingy. No mean comments. That's one thing. Nobody likes mean comments. Oh, I'm gonna add in a little more glitter. That was a lot, as I told you guys. I was adding too much of something. I have been successing this whole video until now. Oh wait, but I think, hey, that was pretty good. This is a decent slime. So, as I told you in the beginning of the video, I am going to bring over my my container. Yeah, thank you. Here it comes. All right, which slot should I put it in? Let's do this one. Oh, so amazing. Love it. I like using puffy paint and slime, so I recommend it if you guys make a lot of slime, like every day. Because that's pretty much what I do. I don't do it every day, but like maybe once a week. Don't do it daily or anything. And that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, comment down below if you would like to see any other videos. And yeah, so see you next time on Lisey's World. Bye!